If you have just uploaded files or folders, their names are likely a long combination of letters and numbers. Such uploaded files and folders are hard to differentiate and find when you need them. Let's organize them. I'll show you how to rename your files and folders to make it easier to work with them. Let's begin. Open the Mega app on your phone. Then, tap on the folder icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Here you can see all your uploaded files and folders. I will now rename a photo. Long press on the desired file. Several icons will appear at the top of the screen. Tap on the three dots on the right side. Then, in the window, click on the Rename field. Delete the current name of the document and enter the desired name. Save the changes by clicking the Rename button. As you can see, the name is changed immediately. The procedure is the same for folders. Long press on the folder and then tap on the three dots. Select Rename and enter the new name for the folder. Save the new name by pressing Rename. And that's the whole procedure. If this tutorial helped you, like it and follow the channel for more digital tips.